Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of blurry dashboard camera footage? Can you really afford to not have crystal clear evidence in case of an accident? The REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 dash cam front and rear is here to change that, offering a king-size view of the road ahead. With its incredible 4K resolution, you'll feel like you're reliving the drive all over again. The image is that sharp. You can see every texture of the road, from the rough asphalt to the smooth highway, and even the sound of the engine purring is picked up with clarity. This well-reviewed dash cam is a game changer. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed it, and the results speak for themselves. The top-rated REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 dash cam front and rear provides a seamless recording experience, capturing every detail, from the license plates of surrounding cars to the sounds of the traffic around you. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising down the highway, this dash cam has got you covered, providing a sense of security and peace of mind that's hard to put a price on. In real-life use cases, this dash cam has proven to be a reliable companion, whether you're commuting to work or taking a road trip across the country. The footage is so clear, you can even use it to help you learn from your driving mistakes, or to provide evidence in case of an accident. And with its sleek design, it's easy to install and forget, until you need it. So why settle for a low-quality dash cam when you can have the best? Upgrade to the REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 dash cam front and rear today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.